In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to find IBAN on the Revolut app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Also, you can sign up for a free Revolut account through the affiliate link in the description below. You might want to find your IBAN on Revolut to receive international payments or transfer money to other bank accounts. It ensures you can handle cross-border transactions smoothly. To begin, open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, you will be directed to the home screen. From here, locate and tap on the Details option. This will take you to a new page where you'll find important information about your account. On this page, you should see your IBAN number displayed clearly. You can copy this number by tapping the copy icon located next to it. The icon typically looks like two stacked squares or a clipboard, and when you tap it, the number will be copied to your clipboard. Now that you've successfully copied your IBAN number, you can paste it wherever needed, whether that's in a form, message, or document. You've just completed the simple process of retrieving your IBAN number within the Revolut app. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget to sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.